What if the most expensive-looking house on your street costs less to maintain than the plainest beige one next door? That is the quiet secret behind black exterior homes. And in 2026, architects, designers, and smart homeowners have completely cracked the code on how to make black work at every budget level. We are talking floor-to-ceiling drama, curb appeal that stops traffic, and finishes that actually get stronger with age rather than peeling off in the rain. Whether you are building from scratch, renovating, or just here for inspiration, this video is going to show you exactly how it is done, material by material, design by design. Before we get into it, if you are serious about building or designing a home that looks genuinely expensive, do yourself a favor and subscribe right now. Hit that bell so you never miss a video. And stay all the way to the end of this one because the final tip is honestly the one most people miss, and it is the difference between a black house that looks breathtaking and one that looks depressing. Why black exteriors feel luxurious? Let us start with the fundamental question: why does black read as luxury? The answer is rooted in design psychology. Black absorbs light rather than reflecting it, which means a black home does not compete visually with its surroundings. It anchors itself into the landscape. When you pair that with clean architectural lines, quality materials, and deliberate contrast accents, the result is a home that communicates confidence without trying too hard. In 2026, dark exteriors are taking center stage, offering a striking and refined aesthetic. Soft blacks and rich charcoals provide bold contrast that feels clean and inviting, working best on modern farmhouses, contemporary homes, and buildings with strong architectural lines. This is not a passing trend either. Benjamin Moore named their 2026 Color of the Year silhouette, described as an alluring mix of rich espresso hues with subtle notes of charcoal that works across a variety of styles and spaces. Paint brands do not name a warm black their Color of the Year unless the market has already moved in that direction. This is mainstream now, and it is backed by real design science. The warm black shift. What it means for your home. Here is something most videos on this topic get wrong. They treat black as a single color, but in 2026, the real conversation is about warm blacks versus cold blacks. The trending approach leans toward warm shades of black, which can still be bold but feel slightly more casual and welcoming, representing a pendulum swing away from the all-white interiors and exteriors of the farmhouse era. What does warm black actually look like? Think of a color that sits somewhere between deep charcoal and rich espresso rather than a flat, stark, pure black. On exterior siding, this translates to finishes that look beautiful in natural light without appearing harsh or institutional. If you have ever seen a black house that felt cold and unwelcoming, the problem was almost certainly a cool-toned, flat black rather than a warm, slightly nuanced one. Getting this color temperature right is step one. Pairing soft black or charcoal exteriors with warm whites like Sherwin-Williams Shoji white, or with natural materials like stone and cedar, balances out the boldness and keeps the whole composition from feeling heavy. That balance is the signature of a high-end result. Material 1. Shou Sugi Ban Charred wood. Now let us get into the materials, starting with the one that is genuinely having its biggest moment in 2026. Shou Sugi Ban, also called yakisugi, is a Japanese wood preservation technique that dates back to the 18th century. The process involves charring the surface of timber, which creates a carbonized layer that dramatically improves weather resistance while delivering a bold, organic black finish. The texture it produces, sometimes called an alligator skin pattern on deeply charred boards, is unlike anything you can achieve with paint. It is unmistakably premium. Shou Sugi Ban is trending globally, and with good reason. Beyond its improved durability and attractive appearance, it gives any facade a striking and unconventional look. Black cladding using this technique is considered a traditional look in Belgium and the Netherlands, and it has become a favorite among architects creating modern buildings in both urban and rural settings. Here's the part that makes this material genuinely exciting from a practical standpoint. Installing Shou Sugi Ban siding can offer a return on investment of up to 80 or 90%, significantly higher than average siding options, particularly in markets where buyers view it as a luxury finish. On average, installing Shou Sugi Ban siding costs around $22,000, with most homeowners paying between $7,000 and $33,000 depending on wood type, home size, and labor. Material costs for pre-charred wood run between $11 and $25 per square foot. That sounds like a significant investment, but here is where the long-term math changes everything. Standard timber cladding typically requires repainting or retreating every 2 to 5 years due to UV-driven color fading. Shou Sugi Ban charred wood, however, is covered in black charcoal rather than ink pigments, making it essentially 100% UV-proof. The charcoal layer also removes the food source for bugs and fungi, drastically extending the maintenance cycle. For architects and designers, the appeal is that it works equally well on a clean, modern build and on a home with rustic or organic elements. Private residences clad in charred cypress and similar Shou Sugi Ban treatments have appeared on projects in the Hamptons and other high-end markets, specified by leading architecture studios for their combination of sustainability and bold aesthetic. Material 2, black metal cladding and steel panels. If you want an exterior that reads modern and industrial luxurious rather than organic, black metal cladding is the direction to go. Steel and aluminum panel systems in matte black finishes have been appearing on everything from high-end barn dominiums to contemporary suburban homes and boutique commercial builds. The visual language of black metal is precision. Clean seams, flat planes, and razor-sharp edges communicate that the home was designed with intent. When you introduce large windows and glass doors against a black steel facade, the contrast between the dark exterior and glazed surfaces increases the sense of spaciousness and allows daylight to dramatically illuminate the interior, a combination particularly popular in modern, minimalist, and industrial-style buildings. Corten steel, which develops a warm rust-tone patina over time, is another metal option gaining serious traction. Corten steel exteriors are built to weather gracefully, with a warm patina that blends naturally with surrounding landscapes, particularly in wooded or mountain settings. Paired with large windows and a black-trimmed roof, this creates a look that feels simultaneously rugged and deeply sophisticated. From a maintenance standpoint, homeowners and designers in 2026 are prioritizing smarter systems and sustainable materials that stand the test of time, specifically moving away from finishes that fade quickly or need constant touch-ups in favor of materials that age with character. Metal cladding fits squarely into that philosophy. Material 3, black stone and masonry. For homes that need to communicate timelessness above everything else, black stone is the material of choice. Slate, basalt, and dark granite bring a weight and permanence to a facade that no other material can replicate. These are not homes that look like they were finished last year. They look like they were built to stand for centuries. Natural stones juxtaposed against black exteriors capture an earthy aesthetic while maintaining a distinctly luxurious feel. Facades made of black stone, such as slate, basalt, or marble, bring sleekness to a home while adding textural depth. And this combination works in both modern and rustic designs. The real design power of black stone comes from how it interacts with landscaping and exterior lighting. A home clad in dark stone with warm pathway lighting, manicured greenery, and a well-detailed entry becomes something genuinely gallery-worthy. The organic variation in real stone means that no two homes will ever look exactly alike, which is its own form of luxury. From a practical standpoint, stone requires virtually no maintenance, does not fade under UV exposure, and actually increases in visual character as it weathers. The upfront cost is higher than other cladding options, but the ongoing cost over decades is essentially zero. Material 4, black fiber cement and board and batten. Not every black exterior needs to be at the premium price point of charred wood or stone, and this is where fiber cement becomes an important conversation. High-quality fiber cement siding in black or deep charcoal is one of the most durable and cost-effective ways to achieve a dark exterior finish. And in 2026, the product quality has reached a level where it is genuinely difficult to distinguish from more expensive alternatives at normal viewing distances. Board and batten in black is a specific application that has dominated the modern farmhouse and contemporary rural home market. The vertical rhythm of the battens creates height and drama, and in a deep black or charcoal finish, it produces a clean, high-contrast silhouette that photographs exceptionally well. This is one of the most searched home exterior styles on platforms like Houzz and Pinterest, and for good reason. In 2026, fiber cement is featured prominently among the materials shaping modern home exteriors because it offers a clean, classic finish that works across many architectural styles, and it pairs well with stone, wood, and other accent materials to create a layered, welcoming result. For cost comparison, fiber cement siding in a dark finish typically runs between $5 and $14 per square foot installed, making it a fraction of the cost of Shou Sugi Ban or stone while delivering a result that is still genuinely impressive. Design combinations that elevate the look. Here is where we move from individual materials into how to combine them for maximum luxury impact. This is the section that separates a great black exterior from one that just looks dark. The first combination is black with warm, natural wood. A Japanese-inspired black house focuses heavily on minimalism, balancing a modern outlook with nature through dark facades paired with wooden slats, stone walkways, and minimalist gardens to produce a refined and serene look. This contrast between the warm grain of timber and a cool black field is one of the most reliably beautiful combinations in residential architecture. The second combination is black with white trim. Black and white as a combination for home exteriors is a timeless choice, where white trim juxtaposed against a black facade creates a bold and striking visual effect, working in both modern and classical structures because it is elegant without being visually overwhelming. The third combination is black with full-height glass. This is the combination most associated with high-end contemporary architecture. Floor-to-ceiling glazing set into a black frame eliminates the visual boundary between interior and exterior, making a home feel far larger and more open than its footprint suggests. It also creates a mirror effect from the outside during daylight hours, giving the facade an almost cinematic quality. In 2026, the strongest exterior designs are mixing textures and materials to give homes depth and visual interest, with the recommendation to stick to 2 or 3 main materials that complement one another for a result that feels fully curated rather than busy. Geometry and architectural form. The material is only half the story. How a black home is shaped matters just as much as what it is made of. A home built with geometric or abstract shapes stands out and looks astonishingly modern when finished in black, with uncommon edges, angular rooflines, and dramatic massing, creating something that feels genuinely architectural. These designs are further elevated by built-in lighting, steel detailing, and glass elements. Flat or low-slope rooflines with deep overhangs are one of the defining characteristics of luxury black homes. The overhang creates shadow lines across the facade that shift throughout the day, giving the home a sense of depth and dimension that a standard pitched roof does not produce. Pair that with concealed gutters and no exposed fascia, and you have a facade that looks like it was designed by a professional firm even if the budget was modest. Elevated entries are another detail that consistently increases the perceived value of a black home. A cantilevered canopy above the front door, a single wide step in contrasting concrete, or a pivot door in brushed steel all communicate that the designer thought carefully about every element of the approach to the home. Lighting, the element most people overlook. Here is the tip promised at the start of this video, and it is the one that makes the biggest difference at the smallest cost. A black exterior in poor lighting looks heavy, dark, and unwelcoming. That same black exterior with the right lighting strategy becomes dramatic, luxurious, and inviting. The transformation is significant, and the cost relative to the rest of a build or renovation is minimal. Warm-toned uplighting placed at the base of the facade grazes across texture, creating depth in charred wood or stone that simply does not exist in flat light. Pathway lighting in black fixtures with warm bulbs frames the approach to the home without competing with the facade. Recessed lighting under soffits and at the entry eliminates shadows that would otherwise flatten the architecture. Soft golden lights and granite stone pathways consistently increase the luxurious aesthetic of dark exterior homes in both modern and rustic settings. This is not a decorative afterthought. It is an architectural element, and it should be planned into the design from the beginning rather than added as a last step. The standard recommendation from lighting designers is to use bulbs in the 2700 to 3000 Kelvin range for exterior applications on dark homes. That warm color temperature prevents the facade from reading as cold or institutional and keeps the whole composition feeling intentional and high-end. What to watch out for? A fair video on this topic has to be honest about the challenges, and there are a few worth knowing before you commit to a black exterior. Heat absorption is the most commonly cited concern. Black surfaces absorb more solar radiation than lighter ones, which can increase cooling loads in hot climates. The practical solution is to ensure that your insulation specification and HVAC design account for this, and to choose a matte or textured finish rather than a glossy one, since matte surfaces dissipate heat more effectively than high-gloss finishes. Dust and pollen visibility is another honest consideration. Light-colored dust shows clearly on a black facade, particularly on horizontal surfaces and windowsills. This is more of an issue in dusty or dry climates than in wetter ones, and it is managed easily with occasional rinsing, but it is worth knowing in advance. HOA and local planning restrictions are a real obstacle in some markets. Before committing to a black exterior, check your local codes and, if you are in a governed community, your HOA guidelines. In some areas, dark exterior colors require variance approvals, and those processes take time. None of these challenges are deal breakers, but they are things an honest design education has to include. Black exterior homes in 2026 are not a trend waiting to peak and fade out. They represent a maturation in residential design where homeowners are choosing permanence, material quality, and architectural character over short-lived fashion cycles. Whether you choose the organic warmth of Shou Sugi Ban charred timber, the precision of black metal panels, the timelessness of dark stone, or the accessibility of high-quality fiber cement, the principles that make these homes look luxurious are the same. Material integrity, deliberate contrast, clean geometry, and lighting that treats the facade as a finished composition rather than an afterthought. If this video gave you clarity or inspiration, drop the word black in the comments below. It helps the channel more than you know, and it tells me what content to keep making. Subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in the next one.